Welcome to lecture 14 coding student grade. I will suppose x equal 10 and y 12. If x greater than y, then print x. Else if x equal y, print both of them, x and y, separated by comma. Else print y, so y is the bigger value. When I run this code, it will display, of course, 12, the value of y. If I change the value of y to 5, it will display the value of x because it's the bigger value. Here, the student grade Python code, full mark equal 500, student mark equal 250, and then rate equal full mark over student mark over full mark times 100, and if rate less than 60, then grade equal F. Else if rate less than 70, then grade will be equal D. Else if R less than 80, then grade equal C. Else if rate less than 90, then grade equal B. And then finally, else without condition, grade equal A. I need to print grade after all. I have to pay attention to indentation, and so it's F. I will change it to 450, so it's B. Okay, there is one mistake here. I have to put the variables here, student mark over full mark. Then run again, so he got A because he student mark weighs 450 and now it's 300. So grade is D. Now grade is B. So the code is working fine. We have seen this flowchart in the lecture. In the last lecture, we have created the algorithm. Here is the algorithm. Start and then reading a student full mark and a student mark and full mark, and then calculating it. And here is the if statement instructions in Python condition algorithm we have seen last lecture. Now I will create the ATM logic. Balance equal 500, amount equal float, input enter amount. This is the amount to be entered in US dollar from by the user or by the customer. Deducted amount, this should be calculated in euro to be deducted from his account, and rate equals 0.89. I will assign that amount the beginning to 0, then calculate it here again. Equal amount times rate plus 2, the fees, service fees, 2 euro, as mentioned in the requirements of the program. If deducted amount greater than 2000, government limit, then print limit reached. So else if deducted amount greater than or equal balance, then print insufficient balance. Otherwise, you can go ahead and update balance, but we'll not do this step now. We'll print the required information as mentioned in the assignment. Deducted amount is, amount deducted is, comma, deducted amount, and rate here I should make a comma inside it. Rate used is colon rate. When I just try to run this code and then enter amount to be withdrawn, then It's working fine, deducted amount and used rate. So I have to here place in USD in order to direct the customer that he should enter the amount in US dollar, because the money he will get is in US dollar. So the code is working fine, and this is the adjustment needed in the ATM logic. We have seen also about its algorithm in the last lecture here. It's all working fine, and we were able to convert it into Python code. Thank you very much.